Ready to dive into the Sui blockchain and take control of your digital assets? Let's set up your Sui wallet in just a few easy steps. First, head over to the Chrome web store and search for Sui Wallet. Make sure it's the official extension from Miston Labs, the creators of Sui. Click Add to Chrome. A pop-up will appear asking for permission to add the extension. Click Add Extension. You should now see the Sui Wallet icon in your Chrome toolbar, usually a little puzzle piece. Click on the Sui Wallet icon in your toolbar. This will open the wallet interface. Click on the Create a New Wallet option. This will generate your secret recovery phrase. This is the most crucial step. Your recovery phrase is the key to accessing your wallet if you lose your device or forget your password. Write it down on a piece of paper and store it in a secure location. Do not store it digitally or share it with anyone. The wallet will then ask you to confirm your recovery phrase by entering some of the words. Do this carefully to ensure you have written it down correctly. Next, create a strong password for your wallet. This password will be used to unlock your wallet on your device. Congratulations, you've successfully created your Sui wallet. You can now view your Sui address, send and receive Sui tokens, and explore the exciting world of Sui dApps. Now you are ready to explore the Sui blockchain.